There it is there. See the big hole made right through that rocker. And coming all the way down. Well, it looks like there's some work to be done here. And that might take some time. So that's the driver's side. Welcome to the video. And so today what we're going to do is we're going to be taking a look at the rockers on the blue Cobalt SS Supercharge. The problem is I jacked the vehicle up, I grabbed it by the rockers and punctured a hole in it. There we go. Snap the bolt right off. Fortunately for me, these are just clips, so I should be able to replace that clip. Look at that. That's bad, eh? Alright, well, at least it doesn't come up to the clips. So, that's the good thing about it right here. It's all nice and healthy here. It's just underneath, so I gotta figure out how to fix that. So once you got that done, you take the clips out, so that you can fully assess the work that needs to be done, and so that they don't impede the work you're doing. As you can see, it's got some rust on it, so we're gonna have to do some grinding there. But not as bad as the other side, considering there are no holes in it. I mean, there's a spot there, but